And goal will be number 1, Ryan DeMello. Puck is dropped and underway here in Macon. And Lubin, Schumacher trying to send it around, but it's Van Der Esch instead. Takes a hard hit check there from Frank Schumacher, sent him down. Tyler Dureski's being challenged by Zach Urban. Puck goes all the way down in the Macon zone. A very physical start here in this first period in Macon. Neuenijk able to hold the zone. Shakarik, Neuenijk, wrist shot deflected a couple times. Big stop by Finn. Puck still loose. And a shot just goes wide. Dureski again down low. Plays it low to high to Shakarik. Shakarik, hands off. Dureski walking, shooting. That was blocked off a defenseman. Fazio picks it back up. Hands off for Dureski along the near side. Work back to the line for Shakarik. Looking for a shot. Hands off instead to the far side for Neuenijk. Plays it back to the middle. Dureski shoots. Stop. Big rebound. In the low slot. They jam away. And it's covered up by Charlie Finn. Charlie Finn making some outstanding stops once again on this Evansville power play and keeps this game deadlocked at 0 aside. Up the far side glass. Glove down at the line by Urban. Tries to walk toward the net. Is knocked away by Lubin. Puck behind him. And handed off for Dureski by DeVolio. Williams back up by Slowly. Hands off for Dureski, building up speed along the near side. Tries to work his way to the net, gets hauled down. Penalty coming up. And the goal light has come on at the Macon end. As confusion ensues here at the Macon Centerplex. Dureski was hauled down as he was going in on nets. It appears this will count as a goal. I didn't even see how the puck went into the net as Finn made the stop, but Dureski got taken out of the play and ended up going into the crease. And the puck went off Finn and in, so it looks like they're going to talk about it real quick, but the goal is on the board and the Thunderbolts have a 1-0 lead. Irwin behind the nets, fading seconds, and that will do it for the first period. So the Thunderbolts get a late one. Tyler Dureski cleans up the garbage. And the Bolts have taken a 1-0 lead late in the period. Macon holds his own and back to 5-on-5 hockey. Thunderbolts 0 for 3 in the power play. Muto plays it a deep for Van Der Esch, walking back up the wall. Now to the line again for Muto. Macon in the midst of a change. Muto's shot goes wide. Big carom scores. It's Van Der Esch, and the game is tied at 1. Dylan Van Der Esch, who's been a powerhouse forward for the Macon Mayhem, gets one here. That'll be his 6th goal of the season at the 5:12 mark of the second period. The setup from down low. A perfect pass under the stick and no chance for Ryan DeMello. As the Thunderbolts get a little sloppy in the middle. Puck goes behind the net. Irwin trying to backhand one to the front, but cannot do it. Brendan Mitchell on him, lost his stick. Irwin steered back along the far half wall. Turning, looking for a pass. Hands off Van Der Esch. Shot, scores! Dylan Van Der Esch gets his second of the night, and it's 2-1 Macon. After Brendan Mitchell lost his stick. And Van Der Esch all alone in the middle, able to roof a shot upstairs. So the Mayhem respond with 2 goals in the second. And take a late 2-1 lead here in the second period. This will just about do it here for the second. Since play down one last time. Hall touches up, and that's it. 2 goals for Dylan Van Der Esch. The difference here in the second period. They take a 2-1 lead going into the second intermission. And also after the game will be the selection show, which will be viewed on the Jumbotron. You can skate on the ice after the game with the players. And I believe the blue jerseys will also be auctioned off after the game as well. Dureski works it to the middle. Tries to work it in. He scores! Tyler Dureski has tied the game at 2. After a partial breakaway, and Charlie Finn went for the poke check and missed. And it rolled in the net. Tyler Dureski has tied the game up. With 4:51 to go, well, he didn't get credit for the first one, but he will get credit for this one. Tyler Dureski has tied the game at 2. 6 seconds left to go. Coming in is shot by Clutch, just stopped by DeMello. Hall picks it up, and that will do it for regulation time. And we are going overtime in the regular season finale for the Mayhem. And the regular season series between these two teams. It'll be the fourth time in 7 games that these two teams go to overtime. Thunderbolts winning 1, the Mayhem winning twice. As we'll rewind it a bit in this season series, the last 3 meetings, in fact, have gone post-regulation. Shots through 3 periods, 38-30. And we are underway here in overtime. Williams starts up. Coming in through the middle. Gets around Muto. To the net. Williams, he scores! Overtime winner, Dave Williams. And the Thunderbolts have won it 3-2. 16 seconds into the overtime period. Dave Williams getting around Vinny Muto. Puts it past Charlie Finn, and the Thunderbolts come back to win it 3-2.